I noticed that you have a space where you talk about creating your own life recipe. I love that. What is that?
That began because of my name. My name is Jasmine Rice, and it's a type of food. And when I was going through my divorce, I played on that a little bit. And I realized that a lot of what I was doing to heal myself was not reading one book and taking that for everything that it was, but picking and choosing, just like we do with recipes in our life. You might make chocolate chip cookies a very different way than somebody else does. And so you can pick and choose really what's going to work for you. There's no one size fits all approach to anything in life. And that includes navigating your healing journey. And so you get to create your own recipe and tweak it along the way.